What's up everybody? Michael Bischoff here from Leading Edge Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to set up ICA2. But before we get started, I want to tell you a little bit about ICA2. ICA2 stands for Integrated Combine Adjustment. ICA2 utilizes three pieces: Harvest Automation, Active Terrain Adjust, and Harvest Smart. The first thing we're going to talk about is Harvest Automation. Harvest Automation utilizes two cameras, one in the clean grain elevator and another in the tailings elevator. These two cameras are going to record cracked grain, unthreshed grain, and foreign material. With these three pieces of data, the machine is going to automatically adjust its settings to maintain peak performance throughout the day, no matter the field condition. Now that you know what Harvest Automation is supposed to do, let's go show you how to set it up. The first thing we need to do is start harvesting grain and manually adjust your combine settings to the desired performance. Once you have reached the desired performance, we need to navigate to your home page with ICA2. Once we have navigated to the ICA2 run page, we need to select the status box under ICA2. Now we are in the ICA2 home page. If you do not have a run page with ICA2 on it, you can also navigate to this page by going down and selecting Menu, going over to Applications, and clicking on Integrated Combine Adjustment. Now that everybody is in the Integrated Combine Adjustment homepage, we need to go and set our priorities. Once we are in the priorities box, we need to set our priorities from 1 being the highest priority level and 4 being our lowest priority level. You can adjust any of these priorities by selecting on them and moving them up or down in the priority list. Once you have the priorities in the acceptable order, select OK. Now that we have our machine settings set properly and adjusted our priorities, we need to turn on Auto Maintain. Once we click the On button under Auto Maintain, it will give us a warning telling us that you need to make sure that your machine is at the desired performance. We have already done this, so we are going to select OK. We will notice it is acquiring a new performance target due to having the target icon under Auto Maintain, and we also have the gray spinning wheel to the right. We need to continue harvesting to acquire the new performance target. We will get a warning confirming that the target performance has been set. Now under Auto Maintain, you will notice the target icon has changed to a container filled with grain, telling us the calibration target has been set. Also, the gray wheel has turned to a blue wheel due to the machine automatically adjusting the combine to help optimize performance. You can see what settings have been adjusted, as they are originally black when they are at the default and change to the blue color when adjusted automatically. Now that you know how to set up Harvest Automation, let's talk about Active Terrain Adjust. Active Terrain Adjust utilizes two sensors to automatically adjust combine settings due to the slope to reduce grain loss. Now that you know what Active Terrain Adjust is supposed to do, let's show you how to set it up. Active Terrain Adjustment is very easy to set up. All we need to do is turn the master switch on, and now you will see the display will show you the current grade of the land you are on. As you navigate through your field, this number will change according to your grade. Active Terrain Adjustment will automatically make machine setting changes according to your grade. When the machine starts an uphill climb, Active Terrain Adjustment will slow the cleaning fan down and open the chaffer and sieve elements. As the machine descends a hill, the cleaning fan speed will increase and the chaffer and sieve elements will close to decrease grain loss and prevent shoe loading. Now that you have successfully set up Harvest Automation and Active Terrain Adjust, let's talk about Harvest Smart. Harvest Smart automatically controls your speed to maximize productivity. Now that you know what Harvest Smart is supposed to do, let's go show you how to set it up. The first thing we need to do is turn on Harvest Smart. Now we need to navigate to the right to the combine icon. Once we click on the combine icon, we will now see our Harvest Smart settings. The first setting we are going to adjust is our ground speed. We need to set our maximum ground speed at the fastest speed that we want to travel in the field to keep the machine from accelerating excessively. Now we need to adjust our engine power. I suggest to set this at 103%. Then next we are going to set our response aggressiveness. I suggest to start at +3. Now that you have set your limiters and your aggressiveness, we need to let the machine calibrate itself. It will automatically speed up and slow down while it's calibrating, and we know it has successfully calibrated when the dashes in this box have changed to numbers. Then we can adjust this number up or down till we get our desired performance out of the Harvest Smart. You have now successfully set up Harvest Automation, Active Terrain Adjustment, and Harvest Smart. If you ever have any issues with the system, go down to the bottom left under Automation Status and click on the box. This will show you your Auto Maintain, Active Terrain Adjustment, and Harvest Smart, and it will tell you any issues that are with the system. I hope you enjoyed our videos on how to set up Harvest Automation, Active Terrain Adjust, and Harvest Smart. If you have any other questions on ICA2, make sure to get a hold of us at Leading Edge Equipment.